Hi everyone. Uh, well, this is a Samsung, an LCD. Was on a garage. I don't know what it's doing. Let's plug to the power. So we have standby. Well, it's flashing. What this means, honestly? We have a consistently blinking. Oh, this looks like an CPU stuff. No? Mainboard issue? What series is this? It's a B or C? It's an S. So we have yeah, you just look at the it's constantly blinking non-stop. Well, let's open. I don't know what it could be. Mainboard. I'm inclined to mainboard. But who knows? I can search some info about. So there we go. That's the model of the TV. It's an LE32S62B. Well, I'm not seeing anything. So we are having an one blink code. So is this what? Mainboard? Well, I don't see. We have a lot of caps in here. Honestly, I don't believe in power supply. Well, let's see if we can. Let's see if we can. If the TV will turn the lights. Let's find out. Let's do unplug from the main board. Don't need the main board for this. I think this series activates the backlights if they are okay. Which they're not. Right? Nothing, no lights, nothing. So it's an inverter? Could be an inverter. Volts. So we have test points in here for sure. So nothing. 5 volts are present. Do we have 24? No, we don't. We don't have 24. We should have it. We don't have 24. We have 5. This is the standby. Where is the... So we don't have 24 volts. Okay, let me unplug the inverter. I'm trying to understand where the... One thing, I think it is, or it's inverter, or a power supply. Plug again. We don't have nothing. Wow. Does this TV gives the feedback about the backlight? To giving one error or not? I'm saying backlight, but it could be other stuff, don't get me wrong. This is just the beginning assumption. But what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna search information about this. Oh, there are information. Let's see if the TV still continues doing the... This is the standby, right? Let me turn the standby to me. I don't wanna... Yeah, it's flashing. It's like... Yes, a constant, it's always flashing. Fucking hell. I don't know what could be in this. I will try to find the information and give the best information possible in a video from this model. I'm trying to see if I can find this error code. She's giving me an error. It's better than nothing. Okay, so yeah, you can see. I still don't know where the problem could be, honestly. I don't know. It's still doing the same blinking, non-stop blinking. Yeah, it's... So I've, I have parts, extra parts for this TV. I will try to replace, I will start with the power supply. Let's start it with the power supply, why not? And see if we have a fixed TV. If we have a fixed TV, definitely we need to repair this power supply. I don't wanna. I still have a main board for this one, for this model. Well, let's go to the bench with this power supply, shall we? So it's placing my main plug this to the power. Well, it's not blinking. Okay, so it doesn't blink. So let me press the remote. Wait. Do we have picture? Oh, GG. Look at this. It's perfect. GG. So it's a main power. So it's a power supply issue. Let me turn off. Turn on. So let me check. Let me do some checking. Do we have? Five? Do we have more than five? We don't. But we have 24, I think, when we plug, or the 12, right? Yeah, the 24, it's on this jumper. So I think I know what it could be the problem. Well, let's go to the bench with the power supply from the TV. I will keep running the TV on testing. Just looking at the power supply, just looking to, I'm seeing already corrosion in here. There's a resistor that is completely gone. And there's MOSFET in there. I don't believe that the power supply is shorted. No, it's not shorted. So it's gonna be on the output. On the opposite. So let me check. Where are the MOSFETs? Where are the MOSFETs? This ones. This is MOSFETs. Short. They are short definitely. It's an. Yep, this is not a Shakti diode. On this one. So we have a lot of stuff happening in this power supply. Yeah, this cap, this, I don't know, what is this? What is this? Is this like a glue or something? What the hell is this? Let's see. Is this? Oh, it's almost on the secondary. That's why it didn't blow the fucking fuse, I think. It should have. Oh, there's another fuse in here. It's fine. I wasn't. Let me see if there is. So we have a big problem in here. We have this parts needs to be replaced for sure. That resistor, and I don't know, probably that cap. That resistor definitely needs to be replaced, and this QM 802 both. Let's open the fucking IC. It didn't went. So to work in there. Oh man, I remove a fucking massive cap like this. It's gonna be a pain. But it's way more easy if I remove the cap. Well, let's start with something, shall we? So I'm gonna start to removing the big cap. Use some flux in here, this body. Okay, it's out. Fuck. I wasn't expecting. It's like glue or something. Okay, the cap is out. It's a massive cap. Now we have better view. Okay, so okay, continuity mode. Well, I don't need continuity mode. Don't get me wrong. Does this is still shorted? Could be this one. Or the backlight. Where is the driver? The IC driver? It's from the other side, probably. So it's gonna be this one. This is the start. I'm just guessing. Don't take this too serious. This should probably, yes. This works with the backlights, and this is the standby. So what cap is this? 222K 1 kV, so 220 1000 volts. Okay, now before I remove, I will start with MOSFETs. I will remove one at a time. Okay, let me add a new where are they? Wait a minute. Okay, they are big, beefy. Let me add some solder in here. I'm trying to use all this crappy solder that I have it in this type, because this is to remove, so it's wasted. So I'm using the worst solder that I have it for this crap. It's more than enough. Okay, on one side on another. GG. Okay, it's already just one pin that is fucking me. It's being annoying. And you will not be annoying. I'm gonna have just a small fraction of solder. It's out. Let me try to clean this shit. This is not helping me. Oh, thank God. Now it. So we remove one. Continuity. Thank you. See? No. Shorter? I think this is shorted, guys. Yeah. As you can see, this guy is shorted. We don't have short on the PCB. We still have. No, we don't. Gate, drain, gate, source. Inverting the... No, no short. No short. I have a tester. Hold on. So I have the tester here. Let me... Okay, it's better for you guys to see at least in the... we'll add the pins. And let's do a quick test. Let's see what this will say. I think it's gonna say damage. No. and MOSFET. Yeah, as you can see, there's a bit drain and source as a diode, and between this, come on, really? And between the source and the drain and gate, we have a diode too in here. That's why he's doing that. But why the other side is not doing? So it looks like it's fine, but it's odd, right? Probably it's the what is this? FQPF. It's so odd, man. It looks like to me like a broken, like, I don't know what it could be. I know it's power supply, but we don't have to short. Let me remove the other one. So okay, we have the second out. So let's see. Okay, this one was. So let's check again on the tester. Yeah, they're okay. So it's the resistor that is doing this. And this cap. So there's one cap I can't change. Why it says B? Yeah. I have a 22. I have this. Yeah, I will change this resistor. It could be only the resistor and 2221K. Well, I don't have 222, I have 221. It doesn't matter, it does the same job, I hope. So where is the cap? The cap, the resistor. Where is the cap labeled? It's on the other side. You dumb. It's this and then, okay, there's this too. Cap is in here. Okay, so see if the cap is out. There's one side still. So probably the cap is okay, but and it looks like it's okay, don't get me wrong, but because it's on a sensible zone. Yeah, look at this. So what we got in here? So what resistor is this one? It was a red one. Red, white. Let's remove the resistor. The resistor is this ones, these two, REM801. Well, in the worst scenario, I think I will need to search from schematics because I will not know what the fuck resistor is in there. Or I can check my actual main board power supply that is on the TV. Okay, let's try to find out what the fuck is this REM 801. Let's try to at least don't break one side. The other side, it's the side that I really wanted. Yeah, this resistor is fried. As always, we never know what is this when it's burned or corroded. And it's a red one. So it's red, silver and gold, looks like. Right? I don't know what crap is this. Well, I know probably is in there to do something, but do we have that beeping stuff? So if we have it, it's because it's normal. That's why they have big grounds. Yeah, let me check resistance. This does not read anything. Open. Oh boy, boy, boy! Red, red, silver. Let me turn the PCV. Guys, I don't want a fucking disaster. What? Now I don't know for sure. Because, well, what? Nine N. So what I will do? Probably I will need to order the resistor because I don't have. I don't think I don't have that type of resistance. But before I order all the stuff, I'm gonna do a research if I can find a schematic. Well, I don't need the schematic. The thing that I don't understand is, so it's not short in here. It's short in here. Why one is giving me? I think one is wrong. Don't get me wrong, but they are the same. Yes, they are the same. Well, why have I have my own doubts about this? Okay, continuity. Okay. Nothing. Nothing. Red, black, black. Okay. Red. Okay, red, black. Red. Okay, now they are giving me the same. So, but on the PCV, it's giving me these ones as continuity. And it should. That's why I'm thinking I'm still a problem in here. and this shit goes to the IC. No, to the small transformer, and through the small transformer it goes to this big IC. I'm thinking about this IC, guys. Call me crazy. Call me crazy. Mister. Fine. Well, I will try to find a. I just hope that I see what. It's not about the. I don't know. Should I order the IC or not? I don't know. Yeah, because for me this is not the IC from 5 volts. It doesn't look like an IC for 5 volts. It's more like this one, this smaller one. Well, that's fine. I will try to see if I have a resistance. I will have the MOSFETs again. You guys will see. So let's stop the recording. Okay, so let's solder the cap and a resistor, and let's see if we have a fix-it. So okay, so where to start? I think I'm gonna head resistor first. next? What next? Let's try to find words. So the fuse, this is a cap. Where is the fuse? Fuse. We have two fuses in this PCB. One in here, what the other one? What is it? Okay, one is in here, which is fine, and it comes here, and probably this is the fuse, right? Yes, it is. It's working. So rectifier, where is the rectifier bridge? There is the bridge in here. So far so good. Now okay, let's find out. Okay, so let's plug to the current limiter. This is all okay. Okay, so let's plug to the current limiter. What will happen? Okay, so no lights, which means, okay, let me check bolts where I can do some testings. This PCB ain't easy, so this is the, what is the aught? This is the aught. So I have jumpers in there, so let me see if this works. Here it's all 24, so do we have something in these jumpers? Nothing? We don't have nothing. Oh, this is not plugged. Let me go auto. What? Okay, 248. Honestly, I don't know if the cable is... I think we don't have nothing. Okay, we have 5 volts in here, in this diode. So, the standby, it's present. Okay, fair enough. So, let's test it on the TV. Okay, let's place the power supply. I saw 5 volts, so if we have 5 volts, we should have the rest running. At least let's see. If the rest ain't running, there's a big IC in here that, well, if this doesn't go as I wanted, it's gonna be another power supply that I'm gonna need time. Okay. Let me grab the multimeter if needed. Now, let me remove the standby. You guys are seeing here. So, okay guys. So I'm gonna do, first I'm gonna plug to the power cord already, to the power. And let's see what will happen. I hope it's everything alright. Oh, let me do, oh, I don't know. Well, let's find out. So, plug into the power. We have standby. Now I'm gonna press in the power. We have lights. And give me display, please. Give me display, give me picture. GG. It's fixed, guys. It's fixed. here the troubleshoot was a capacitor and a resistors. GG guys, fully stable. You guys can see it. I will see backlights. Well, I'm gonna do the rest on upper camera, on off camera. Sorry. We save a PCB from the TV. Nice. I have a spare one. If it goes really badly, can happen, or you don't find the components to be repaired. You know, sometimes I know it's an old TV, but it's working. It has the screen fully functional. Let me press the power off. Okay, standby. Now pressing the remote control. And we have backlights and fully display. Nice. So I see you on the next one, guys. Take care. Bye.